This is an introduction to the derivatives with trig functions. So we have our 6 trig functions here: sine, cosecant, cosine, secant, tangent, and cotangent. And we're going to look for patterns so that you can easily remember these. Sine and cosine, we don't have to really worry about it. The derivative of sine is cosine x, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine x. And that negative for cos applies for all of the cos. It makes it easy. The non-cos are positive, the cos are negative. So now if you can find a relationship between tangent and secant, that will apply to everything. So the way I look at tangent is tangent's a father, so he's worth 2 kids. And secant, well, secant's a child, so with every child there should always be a tangent chaperone. So we need the adult with the child, and the adult is with 2 children. So once we have that relationship, now we just have to transfer it. So if secant is secant tangent, cosecant is cosecant x, cotangent x. See, nice little relationship. And if tangent secant squared, cotangent is cosecant squared x. Same basic idea. So all the cos are negative, all the non-cos are positive, and there you have it. So to take the derivative, the same rules still apply. If you have a coefficient, we just bring it down. So now what is the derivative of sine? That would be cosine x. And there you go. So if you put a negative in front of it, you have 2 ways of thinking of it. You can think, well, if cosine x is negative sine x, then negative cosine x would be positive sine x. That works. Or you can think, I'm going to bring that down. Derivative of cosine is negative sine x. My derivative is positive sine x. And then tangent, same thing. You bring down the coefficient, and derivative of tangent is secant x. Secant squared x. And then for secant, same thing. We bring down the negative 3, and secant would be secant x tangent x. And there you have it. There is our introduction to derivatives with trig ratios.